This video is about names on your birth certificate. You have to check your birth certificate. I said it to a client today. We assume our documents are good and we just say, well, of course it's good. I mean, nothing wrong with it. But the problem is when we look at our documents every time, we do not see the error. One lady said to me, and I hope she's watching this video today, she said to me, I did not see that my name was wrong on my kids' birth certificates. I know I need their birth certificates to be fixed for the process I am working on. We have to look at our documents and we have to look at them objectively. We're looking at it thinking, well, we know what is supposed to be there. We will see what we think is there or what we expect to be there. We will not be objective enough to see what is actually there. So when I say to you, send me a picture of your birth certificate, right away I'm objective. I don't know I don't have any expectations for your name, so I'm going to be seeing exactly what is there. A second pair of eyes is very good. So for persons who are trying to apply for passports or they are using an ID to support their passport application, but the ID doesn't match and they did not realize this, or parents who are trying to get their kids citizenship or their kids passport who did not realize that their name was spelled wrong on the birth certificate for the child. I have one lady right now, her name is only different by one letter, an I instead of an E, and it's a problem. The ID can't be used because the name does not match. I had a client who was trying to get citizenship. His grandmother's name didn't match. He had to jump through some hoops and some rigmarole, and he finally got someone to attest to the identity of his grandmother, and so he got the citizenship. This is what we have to do. We will be jumping through hoops if we don't regularize our documents. Get the name correct in the document. Get your name corrected on your documents. Get your name fixed on your kids' documents. I won't even talk about fathers. Add your name to your kids' birth certificate. There's a whole other video. But there's so many problems arising from persons having wrong names on their documents and not having their siblings can't support them because the siblings' name, mother's name doesn't match, even though it's the same mother. I could do a 10-minute video. As a matter of fact, I could do a 20-minute video on this, but check your documents. Try to be objective. And if you can't see the error, then send it to me. I promise you, if there's an error in your spelling of your name, I'll see it. I am Gail. Thanks for watching.